I've been an early adopter. It's not always a good thing, Rochelle. It can cost you a lot of money. So don't go, oh my God, as I said just before, the club down the road is putting in infrared saunas. We've got to do it too. And, I just picked up the local TV rag and it says everybody's doing this, so we've got to do it. Again, I've got to keep reiterating, it comes back to your community and knowing who your community is. 3-4 years ago, we put in infrared saunas, oxygen chair, and a massage chair, right? For the first 12 months, very slow uptake. And I was like, why aren't we getting more people to use the saunas? And then we realized we were selling infrared saunas, but we were forgetting to sell the benefits and the experience of being in the sauna. So once we reversed the way that we were selling our infrared saunas, massage, oxygen chair, the bookings started coming faster. And here we are. Look, our sauna is booked out. One of them is booked out like 5 times today. And so we're constantly getting bookings. So it's not like putting the new tool in your club and say, hey, everyone, I got a new squat rack. Yeah, hey, but why do I use the squat rack? What are the benefits for using the squat rack? So educating your people on why you're putting these things into your club. And for God's sake, don't jump on every single trend that comes out because it costs a lot of money, because it's not just buying the product, it's marketing the product, it's educating your team. So that's that consistent turnover of resources that you've got to stay on top of when you do put new products in. The big thing at the moment is strength training. And of course, wellness, infrared, recovery. The good thing about strength training is the majority of club owners who run group fitness programming already have the equipment in their group fitness room. So they can be running circuit classes are really, really big. And they don't have to be complex. You can have a step, you've already got that in your group fitness room. You've got a barbell, you use that in your circuit. You've got hand weights, you've got body weight, you've got bands. So these things are already in the group fitness room. So they don't have to necessarily go out and pay license fees. They can be going to workshops, creating the content, delivering, and they can deliver the circuit classes to different age groups. So you can have circuit classes for your older adults, circuit classes for the younger demographic. Then you've got your infrared sauna, your over 40s market. Look, they're great because they pay their memberships, their direct debits don't bounce. I said this the other day to someone, and they want to live longer, they want to live stronger, and they'll listen to you on the benefits of the infrared, the recovery boost. So again, knowing your market and who you can sell your product to. As we know, fitness racing is really big at the moment. So have a look at your functional, see that's our functional training zone that you can see in the back there. We've got 3 group fitness studios. So we know that, High Rocks and Spartans Decker is big at the moment. So yeah, of course we're going to get on the trend of that and start delivering those styles of classes to our community, because we don't want them going elsewhere because it costs more to get them back. So deliver what they're wanting. It's not that hard. It's just a matter of listening, understanding who your community is, and if you don't have the resources and tools, go out and ask somebody for help. And there's nothing wrong with doing that either.